to Papa 1. We have a missing person who may have been stranded by the incoming tide. Can you attend and conduct a search of the cliffs?
We've been using drones in Devon and Cornwall and Dorset Police for around about the last 3 years. Across the UK, I think there's over half of UK police forces are now actively deploying drones.
One of the biggest advantages of the new Mavic 2 Enterprise is its small dimensions for carriage, the short setup time, and its simplicity to use. The new zoom camera is a really helpful feature for us. By using the 2x optical zoom, we can gain detailed knowledge about the situation that we might have missed in a wider framed image, while still operating at a safe distance. The new accessories of the Mavic 2 Enterprise have opened up the door for multiple new uses. The attachable speaker allows us for the first time to be able to communicate with people and send verbal messages. In the case of a rescue mission, we're able to reassure a victim and keep them up to date on their rescue.
This is a police drone. Please wave your arms if you are okay. Try to stay calm and do not move. Help is on the way.
We now have a greater range with search operations. The Mavic 2 Enterprise's flight batteries provide up to 31 minutes of flight time. During a rescue mission, flight time is absolutely critical. Adding to this, the self-heating batteries that allow the Mavic 2 Enterprise to operate in sub-zero temperatures. The Mavic 2 Enterprise is equipped with an omnidirectional obstacle sensing system that helps the drone to keep a safe distance from buildings, trees, cliffs, and other objects. The ability to illuminate an area during a rescue operation will really improve the safety of those within the rescue environment, and it will help the incident commander to make much better decisions.
Drones are having a real impact on policing in the UK. It's given us much better situational awareness incidents, and it's making things a lot safer for our officers.
The innovative features are an exciting development, and as a team, we're really looking forward to working with the Mavic 2 Enterprise in the future.